Hi, welcome back. It's Mark from Get Fit, the far infrared light therapy specialist. Thanks very much for joining me today. Now, continuing our video training series on far infrared for boosting and supercharging the immune system. The last few videos, we've been covering the subject of nitric oxide. And, again, nitric oxide is absolute gold dust. How it helps the body is unbelievable. So continuing with the benefits of nitric oxide, and just to recap, far infrared helps trigger the body's natural production of nitric oxide. And nitric oxide helps in so many ways. And what we're going to discuss today is how nitric oxide actually helps the lungs. Now, there's a couple of things that the nitric oxide will help with. Number one, the nitric oxide helps reduce inflammation of the lungs. So if there is some kind of viral infection where the lungs are being damaged and they're seriously inflamed, when we take the far infrared light therapy treatment, it's going to trigger the production of nitric oxide, and that is going to help reduce the inflammation of the lungs. But also, another thing that we know is that with certain viral infections, we know that the lungs and the lining of the lungs is actually being damaged by the virus. Now, one of the great things that nitric oxide can help with, it can actually help with the repair, of the lung. So if the lung has been damaged or is being damaged, number one, the nitric oxide is going to help reduce inflammation of the lungs. Number two, the nitric oxide is going to help repair the damage, to the lungs. But also the other thing, again, which is really helpful, we mentioned previously that nitric oxide also helps with expanding blood vessels to help deliver more blood throughout the body. That means, number one, we're going to be able to deliver more antibodies to the site of the infection, but more importantly, it's also going to help and accelerate the repair of any damage that has occurred to the lungs. Anyway, I hope that's helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.